hate it, you win. You ain't the move for empathy, cause blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule the nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it.
She will be starting. So, since Chef Daniela is from Unilever, I am at the Unilever stand. Who can I talk to from the Unilever stand? Who can I talk to? Who can I talk to from the Unilever stand? I see a face that I know. Who can I talk to from the Unilever stand? Just so that they can give us a bit of an intro before Chef Daniela goes and does what's in the table. Alright, no problem, no problem. Who can I talk to? Who am I speaking to? Here you know each other, but the card is going. So tell me, what is Unilever doing here today? You don't know who Fiesta.
Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had the days on take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had the days on take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had the days on take you there, take you there.
Aqua cheese.
Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, time to make it time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel sick, you touch. I need to.
Legal. Guys, this is what we do at work. We find space to sit down and collect all our stuff. This is day 2 of the food fiesta. And it's a wrap for me. It is a wrap. So, hi guys, it is the end of the day. I think the time now is past 9, I think 9, and it is only now that I'm going home finally. But the Econo Food Fiesta is done and dusted, and thank you so much for tuning in and enjoying my vlog. I hope you liked it. I hope you engage with me, and yeah, man. Thank you for coming to my channel. Please share it with your friends and comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.